Is time-restricted eating just a trend, or is it good for your health? Fasting and time-restricted eating is not just for weight loss. We all evolved on a rotating Earth. Our bodies were aligned with sunlight and darkness. Our ancestors didn't have refrigerators. They ate during the day and rested at night. If they went out at night, they were for dinner. By syncing your eating with your natural circadian rhythm, you activate ancient repair mechanisms like autophagy, your body's internal program to heal, reset, and extend your life. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach, and it's essential to find what works for you and your lifestyle.